Sorry. Ma'am, you are. అమ్మ సారీ అమ్మ నా ఆడియో మ్యూట్లో ఉంది నేను చూసుకోవాలా రైట్ సానా ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ మై వాయిస్ రైట్ సారీ రైట్ సి మా ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ మై వాయిస్ యామిని క్లియర్ మై వాయిస్ కౌశిక్ సానా క్లియర్ మై వాయిస్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్
Yes, sir.
రైట్ see amma see all of you AND gate states that all inputs are high then only output is high, right? All inputs are high then only output is high, or any one input is low output is high, output is low, right? See, AND gate structure is a NAND gate. You just add one inverter at the end of NAND gate, right? This is an AND gate opposite to NAND gate, right? See, all inputs are high then only output is high, otherwise any one input is low output is low, right? This is an AND gate statement, right? See NAND gate NAND gate states that all inputs are high then only output is low, opposite to AND gate, right? See, 0 0 0 0 in AND gate we get VDD, in AND gate VSS, right? Same 0 1 in AND gate you get VDD, in AND gate you get VSS, opposite, right? NAND gate 1 0 you get 1, in AND gate you get VSS, right? Opposite to NAND 1 1 in NAND gate output is VSS, in AND gate VDD, opposite to NAND gate, right? All inputs are high then only output is high in AND gate, right? In AND gate all inputs are high output is high, right? See, here no need to draw schematic by using PMOS and NMOS. Here just we use symbols of NAND gate and inverter, right? Symbols of NAND gate and inverter. No need to pick PMOSes and NMOSes, right? Just you pick NAND gate as well as inverter, right? See, in NAND gate .AAC represents schematic. That schematic consists of NAND gate symbol and NOT gate symbol, right? And 5 label nets and wires, right? Now let's see how to draw B schematic by using LT Spice, right? See, all of you clear my LT Spice screen? Sana, are you clear my LT Spice screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Go to file, all of you observe carefully. Go to file, new schematic, right? File, save as third year A section folder. Go to third year C section, I think. Third year C section folder, right? Third year C section folder, and right, save in third year C section folder only, right? Please observe every time folder name, right? And right, okay, right? All of you please observe carefully. Go to component icon, no need to pick PMOS and NMOS. Directly you change the path, your folder path. Go to your folder path, pick NAND gate, pick one NAND gate, escape, go to component icon, pick inverter, pick one inverter, right? Clear all of you? Here no need to pick NMOS and PMOS, just you pick two symbols, that is NAND gate symbol as well as inverter symbol, right? All of you clear? Sana, clear Sana? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Amini, are you clear? Clear up to here? Amini. Sai Charita clear? Sai Charita up to here?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Harshit clear up to here? Harshit? Natraj clear up to here? Completed up to here, Natraj?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Good, Natraj. Neeraj?
Completed, sir.
Good, Neeraj. Vaishnavi undamma. Vaishnavi? Okay. Rohan? Completed, Rohan? Up to here? Samanvita clear up to here? Samanvita is not there, right? Sana clear, I think. Okay, right.
సార్
Uh,
ఇన్వర్టర్ లో మీరు ఏ బై తీసుకున్నారు కదా, నేను విఇన్ విఅవుట్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఏం కాదా?
ఏం కాదమ్మా, ఏం కాదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్? రైట్. See all of you. See, go to wire, VDD, connect both VDDs, right? Connect both VSS, right? Y to A, connect Y to A, right? Escape, right? Save, pins. All of you please observe, connect by using wire both VDDs as well as VSS and Y to A, right? Next, go to label net. All of you go to label net. A, total 5 label nets. A input, escape, go to label net. B, input, right? Next, go to label net. VDD, input, right? Go to label net. VSS is also input, right? Right? Next, go to label net. Y, output direction, right? By using wire, connect A to A. By using wire, connect A to A, right? Next, B to B, right? Next, Y to Y, right? And schematic over, right? All of you please complete up to here. I will wait 3 minutes up to 11:45. Please complete up to here. Right? AND gate is a combination of NAND and inverter. Go to component icon, select your path, pick NAND gate as well as AND gate, right? By using wire, connect VDD as well as VSS, right? By using label net icon, pick pins A, B, VDD, VSS, Y, right? With respect to 4 directions. A port direction input direction, B also input, VDD also input, VSS also input, Y output direction, right? This is a schematic. The schematic of AND gate by using NAND and inverter, right? Nataraj completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Nataraj?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Neeraj?
Yes, sir.
Completed, Neeraj? Right. Chandu?
Yes, sir.
Completed, good. Sana? Completed, Sana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Rohan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed, good. Karthik? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. Surya completed. Surya up to here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yamini?
Yes, sir, completed.
Right. Sai Charita? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anand completed, Anand? Okay. Fanendra? Tejashwini completed? Right. See, next schematic over. Next, go to file, new schematic, new symbol. Go to file, new symbol, right? New symbol. Save as. Go to third year C section folder only. Please observe third year C section folder. Next, and .v, right? ASY third year section folder, right? .ac represents schematic. .asy represents symbol, right? Go to draw, same as NAND. Go to draw line, right? Right, by using wire, right? Same as NAND, except one circle, same as NAND. Go to draw, pick one arc, can, right? Control E, right? The symbol of AND gate, right? Next, save, edit, add pin, or press P. A, left side, next press P, B also left side, right? Next press P, VDD top, right? Press P, VSS, press bottom, right? press P, Y, right side, right, right. By using wire, draw lines A, escape, draw line next. Go to draw line BDD, BDD, right, draw line BSS, right, draw line Y, right. Save. All of you please complete up to here. All of you please complete experiment up to here. Except one circle, same as NAND, except one circle. In NAND, here there is one circle, here there is no circle. AND gate, right? Save. See, go to draw line. By using line, you draw these three lines. Then by using arc, you draw this arc. Then go to edit, add pin or press P, add pin or press P, right? By using this, you pick 4 pins, 5 pins, 2 pins left side, one top, one bottom, one right side, right? Sai Charita completed? Sai Charita,
Yes, sir.
right. Nataraj? Nataraj over? Neeraj?
Yes, sir.
Right. Rohan? 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 Rohan completed? Okay. Sana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Chandu?
Yes, sir.
Right. Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Right. Surya?
Yes, sir.
Right. Amini?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Rushik?
Done, sir.
Right, good, right, right. Symbol over. Next, save. Right. Next, go to file, new schematic, select new schematic for test bench, new schematic, right, file, save as, please observe carefully, third year C section, not a third year A section. Go to third year C section folder, go third year C section folder, save as, and test, right, in third year C section folder only, right? Third year C section folder, right? Save. See, go to component icon, see, pick AND gate symbol, In third year C section folder only, in third year C section folder, you pick AND gate symbol. AND gate symbol, place here. AND gate symbol, right? AND gate symbol, right? Go to component icon. See, go to your regular path, your software path, LT Spice path. Go to your regular path, right? Voltage, pick voltage, voltage, right? 3 voltage sources, 3 voltage sources. Escape, right? 3 voltage sources, right? Save by using wire V12A, V12A, V2B, V2B, right? Next, VDD to V3, VDD to V3, right? Okay, right? Next, save. Ground, grounds, 4 grounds, 4 grounds, 4 grounds by using wire connect, right? Right. Save. Go to labelnet icon. Go to labelnet icon. A input, input. Go to labelnet icon. B also input, input, right? Next, go to labelnet. Y output, output, right? No need to pick VDD-VSS, right? Just by using wire icon, by using wire icon connect, right? Right. Inputs same as NAND gate, right? Right click, advance. All of you please complete up to here. All of you please complete. I will wait 2 more minutes up to 11:58. All of you please complete up to here. Right, 3 voltages from component icon, regular path, voltage sources, right? Pins from labelnet icon A, B, Y. A, B, Y, right? Next, all of you please observe. First V1, 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 advance pulse 0, 5 volts, minimum 0 volts, maximum 5 volts, 5 micro, రైస్ టైం 1 నానో, ఫాల్ టైం 1 నానో, రైట్. రైస్ టైం 10 U, 21 U micro. 0 volts, 5 volts, 5 micro, 1 nano, 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 micro, V1, right? Next V2. Go to advance, pulse, 0, 5, 5 micro, right? 1 nano, 1 nano, 10 U, 21 U, right? Sorry, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Right? See, 0, 5, 5 volts, 5 micro, 1 nano, 1 nano, 5 micro, 7 microsecond, right? Okay. Right click, 5 volts, 5, right? Okay. Right? Run 21U. Starts from 0, right? Right? Schematic. This is a schematic of AND gate. Symbol of AND gate is a test circuit of AND gate, right? See, A, B, Y. A, B, Y. Right. Right click, add plot plane. Add plot plane. A, B, C. Right click, increase 0.5, decrease 0.5. Nothing change. Increase 0.5, decrease 0.5, right? For better view, that's it. Increase 0.5, decrease 0.5, minus 0.5. Already increasing, just decrease here, that's it. 0.5. See all of you. Any one input is low, output is low. All inputs are high. All inputs are high, then only output is high. Both inputs are high. Both inputs, VA as well as VB, both inputs are high, then only output is high. AND gate states that all inputs are high, then only output is high. Here see, any one input is low, output is low. Any one input is low, output is low. Here see, all inputs are high. High up to here only, see. Up to here, all inputs are high. From this point to this point, all inputs are high. Up to here, output is high. After that, any one input is low. Any one input is low, output is 0. Output is 0, right? And it states that all inputs are high, then only output is high, right? Otherwise, any one input is low, output is low, right? Natras completed up to here.
Running, sir, running.
Running, okay. Neeraj, over Neeraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neeraj, please share your screen, Neeraj.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, Neeraj. Okay. Right, Neeraj. Right. Good, Neeraj.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Neeraj. Okay. Stop your presentation. Right. Sana.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Sana, please share your screen, Sana.
Okay, sir.
Right. Schematic, symbol, test circuit. Right. All inputs are right. Right. Good, Sana. Good.
Okay, sir.
Right. Sai Charita. Sai Charita.
Doing it, sir.
Oh, okay. How many?
I logged through my mobile, sir.
Okay. Surya.
I'm also listening
Surya,
from
if
mobile.
possible, mobile. Okay, Surya. Rohan. Tejashwini. Nataraj completed. Nataraj.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Okay. Shankar. Shankar Narayana. Anyone completed? Please share your screen. Anyone? Yugandhar Reddy. Anyone completed? Please share your screen. Vamsi. Sanjay. Niraj Reddy over. Anyone completed? Please share your screen. Hassan completed. Hassan. Please share your screen, Hassan. Anyone? Hassan, are you ready to share your screen? Fanendra completed. Fanendra. Funny. Naga Satya Fanendra. Anand, are you ready to share your screen? సాయి చరిత మీరు మొబైల్లో లాగిన్ అయ్యారా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. Okay, ma, we'll see next experiment OR gate. We'll see next experiment OR gate. All of you do. Sana, Natraj, Neeraj. Next experiment. Enter screen. మా కొద్దిగా ఫాస్ట్ గా కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం, ఇది ఫాస్ట్ చేయండి చేసేవాళ్ళు, రైట్? సి రైట్, సి OR gate states that what? OR gate states that any one input is high. OR gate states that any one input is high, output is high, right? OR gate states that any one input is high. OR gate states that any one input is high, output is high. OR gate is a combination of NOR and inverter, right? OR is a combination of NOR and inverter. Ready? Right? See, all of you, go to file, new schematic. Sana, are you doing, Sana?
Yes, sir.
అమ్మ ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయండి, నాతో పాటు ప్యారల్ గా చేస్తుంది చరిత, అందరూ ఫాస్ట్. నటరాజ్, రైట్? అందరు, నీరజ్, రైట్? ఫైల్, సేవ్ యాజ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ సి సెక్షన్ ఫోల్డర్ ఓన్లీ, OR gate, or right? Third year C section folder only, OR gate, right? Save. OR gate is, go to component icon, change your path, folder path, pick NOR gate symbol, pick one NOR gate symbol, right? As well as one inverter, right? One inverter, that's it. OR gate is a combination of NOR as well as inverter, right? Both are symbols. Go to wire, pick, draw by using wire, VDD as well as VSS, right? Y2A, right? Go to label net icon, A, input, to A input, escape, B also same input, next escape, label net, VDD input, right? Escape, go to label net, VSS input, right? Yes, right, press, go to label net, Y, output direction, right? Output, right? By using wire, connect A to A, B to B, right? Y to A, right? Save, right? Neeraj, completed up to here? Neeraj, are you doing?
Completed.
Right. Next, save, right? Next, go to file, symbol, schematic over, right? Schematic is a combination of NOR as well as combination of NOR and inverter, right? And pins, right? Over. Next, file, new symbol, right? File, save as, same third year C section folder, or right? Or save as, or right? All of you know how to draw NOR symbol. Go to arc, and draw one arc like this, right? Click here, right? Stop here, then go to another arc another arc, draw one arc, right? Right, save, take, select it, control E, let's control E, let's move it, right? Select it, control E, just place it, right? Symbol, only difference is circle, right? Next, go to edit, add pin, go to edit, add pin, or press P. A, edit, add pin, B, left side. Next, press P, VDD, top. Next, press P, VSS, bottom. Press P, Y, right side. Right. Go to draw line. Go to draw. Yeah. Go to draw line. It's not a straight line. Cut it. Go to draw line. Right. Escape. Go to draw line. Draw line. Escape. Draw line. Right, save. Same as NOR except one circle is a OR gate symbol, right? Schematic over the schematic, same combination of NOR and inverter symbol by two arcs and wires and pins, 5 pins, right? Sana, completed up to here, Sana?
Yes, sir.
Right. How many? Neeraj completed up to here, Neeraj?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. Nataraj?
No, sir. I'll do later, sir.
Okay, good, Nataraj, no problem, right? Right. Okay, next, save, file, new schematic. It's not a symbol, test circuit is a schematic, new schematic, file, save as, go to third year C section folder only. Please observe folder carefully. Or underscore test. Put test. Right. See, all of you, go to component icon. OR gate symbol, pick OR gate symbol, place here, OR gate symbol, place here. Then go to label net, no need, sorry, component icon, go to component icon, change your path, all of you, please change your path. Then voltage, voltage, 2 voltage sources, 3 voltage sources, right? Grounds, right? By using wire, connect V1 to A, V2 B, right? Next, VDD to V3 over, right? Next, another ground, right? Wire, by using wire, right? Next, go to label net A, input, go to label net B, input, go to label net Y, output, right? Wire, by using wire, connect Y to Y, right? Next, see, all of you, go to right click, advance, pulse, 0, same as NAND, 5 micro, micro, 1 nano, 1 nano, U, 21 U, micro, 21 micro, V1 over. Next, V2, advance, pulse, 0, 5 micro, 1 nano, 5 U, 7 U, right? V1, V2, right? Next, V3, 5 volts DC voltage, 5 DC voltage, right? Okay, right? Right? See once again, all of you, V1 0, 5 volts, 5 micro, 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 micro. Next, V2 0, 5 volts, initial voltage 0, maximum voltage 5, delay 5 micro, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, T on 5 micro, time period 7, right? DC voltage 5 volts, right? Save, run 21 U up to 21 U, 0, right? Okay, right? So, schematic. It is a OR gate schematic. OR gate schematic is a combination of NOR gate as well as one inverter, right? Next, this is schematic. No need to pick P masses and N masses. Just directly pick symbols or NOR gate symbol, right? Inverter symbol, right? Right. Next, symbol. Next, symbol. Symbol by using two arcs and 5 pins and wires. 2 arcs, 5 pins and wires, right? Test circuit. Test circuit is a combination of symbol as well as voltage sources and pins, right? See, A, B, then Y, right? Maximize it, right click, add plot plane, VA, VB, right? For better view, go to right click, 5.5, increase 0.5, decrease 0.5 volts. Increase 0.5, as well as decrease 0.5 volts, right? A over next B, increase 0.5 volts, decrease 0.5 volts, right? Increase, just increase 0.5, that's it. Right? See, OR gate states that any one input is high, output is high. OR gate states that any one input is high. See, 0 0 0, 1 1 1. Any one input is high, output is high. See, 1 0 1 0. Any one input is high, output is high. Right? 1 1 1 1. Any one input is high, output is high. 0 1 0 1 1. Any one input is high, output is high. Otherwise, all inputs are 0. All inputs are 0. Then only output is low. All inputs are 0. Then only output is low. Otherwise, any one input is high. This statement is applicable for n inputs. Any one input is in OR gate, into two input OR gate or n input OR gate. It states that any one input is high, output is high, right? Any one input is high, output is high. In all inputs are low, then only output is low. All inputs are low, then only output is low. This is the OR gate test circuit. This is schematic, symbol, test circuit, and waveforms, right? Neeraj completed.
Yes, sir.
Neeraj, Neeraj, please share your screen, Neeraj.
Okay, sir.
Right. All inputs are high, then only output is high. Okay, Neeraj. Good, good, Neeraj. Right, right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Stop. Stop. Sana, please share your screen, Sana. Sana.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Right, Sana. Right. Good. Nataraj? Nataraj, are you there, Nataraj?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
నటరాజ్ ఎండ్ గేట్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి. ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది కదా మీది, అయిపోయిందా నటరాజ్? ఎండ్
అయింది కానీ సార్ అది ఇన్పుట్ చూస్తున్న అవుట్పుట్ రావట్లేదు సార్, చూస్తారా?
ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి నటరాజ్.
ఓకే సార్.
నటరాజ్
షేర్ చేస్తాను సార్, 1 minute
Okay.
షేర్ చేస్తాను.
వెళ్ళారు సార్. రైట్ అంటే నటరాజ్ టెస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ ఒకసారి లార్జ్ చేయి, ఒకసారి మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ చేయండి టెస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్. రైట్ VDD రైట్ VSSY రైట్ ఓకే 1021 మైక్రో. నటరాజ్ ట్రాన్సియంట్ టైం, ట్రాన్సియంట్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి, ట్రాన్సియంట్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయి. రైట్ క్లిక్ అక్కడ కింద 21 తీసి 21 తీసేసి ఓకే చేసి రన్ చేయి. ఓకే 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 0 కూడా తీసేయి నటరాజ్, రిమూవ్ 0 ఆల్సో. రైట్ సేవ్ రైట్ రైట్ అవుట్పుట్ రావట్లేదా నటరాజ్? ఓకే ఓకే స్కీమాటిక్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళు నటరాజ్ ఒకసారి. స్కీమాటిక్ ఓకే నటరాజ్, విల్ సీ లేటర్. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు ఒకసారి నాకు టీమ్ వ్యూవర్ లో కనెక్ట్ అవుతావు తర్వాత క్లాస్ అయ్యాక. ఓకేనా? ఓకే నటరాజ్.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. అమ్మా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు డైరెక్ట్ గా కాల్ చేయండి లేకపోతే మెసేజ్ చేయండి. రైట్ ఓకే రైట్ బాయ్ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.